This morning I thought to myself that I have a little bit too cynical attitude towards humans, and then I bought this bike, and I was assured that I do not. I definitely do not. I don't know why I do this to myself. I literally just got rid of a bw80, which is basically the same thing as this bike, except for without the huge tires. It had the same thing, you know. Someone got it that had no clue what they were doing, and both of them, they took off the oil mixer, and then they didn't mix the gas with the oil. And then this person couldn't figure it out. Guys, we need to do better. We need to start reading the manual. If you're a guy and you think you don't need to read the manual, then pay someone else to work on it. This person blew 2 cylinders. Luckily, they gave me the factory cylinder, which is, even after it's blown, it's better than this piece of crap that they put on it. This niche cylinder kits that you get off of Amazon or eBay. These things are completely worthless. I've had some of these break just trying to install them, but he blew 2 cylinder heads and still didn't figure out that he needs to mix some oil with that gas. He did figure he needs to put 2-stroke oil somewhere, so he put it in the gearbox. So this is what I deal with, and I do this to myself. I don't know why I do this, but at least I got a good deal on it. I got it for $250, and you know, I think I'll be able to save it. I'm gonna bore that cylinder out, put a Wisco piston in it, change the oil about 10 times, drain all that gas out, and put some mixed fuel in there. And you know, these bw80s are built like they're bulletproof, and this is a true testament of it. And please do not ever try to spray paint a dirt bike. It never looks good. Like, you know, spray paint comes off with gas. Why would you put it on a gas tank? And if you are going to spray paint the gas tank, you know, take it off the bike before you spray paint it. But you know, that just seems to be the theme with this entire bike. They didn't even take off the stickers before they spray paint it. Just we need to do better, guys. We need to do better.